Hi, good morning everybody. I am V. Ravi Shankar. Recently, I have published a book, Gems of Life, and I want to share my thoughts into writing as a career for those new authors who want to bring out their own book and publish it. First of all, I want to thank all the organizers who have conducted this workshop for writers and new authors who want to publish their own book or who want to start their career as a writers. In this connection, I want to say the following 4 points which are very helpful for budding authors to write their own book. The first point is whenever you want to write a book, you should choose the correct topic, the interesting topic, the day to day life topic, and the current topics which are very easily accepted by the peoples who read it. Even some of the best selling authors have chosen their topic first, which is interesting and eye catching, rather than on a topic which is absolute and no use. After selecting the correct topic, you have to study and read extensively on that topic and gather information or summarize those points what you have studied into a bulleted form, and you have to later on expand those bulleted points or summarized points with your own words, with your own feelings, opinion about that, and you have to expand and develop and write in your own words your thoughts with the topic. The second point being whenever you write in English, the writing should be perfect with good and clear cut grammar. There should not be any grammar mistakes in it and any punctuation mistakes or any such mistakes. It should be perfect in all respects with respect to grammatical errors. The third point being whenever you write dialogues in a book, it should be as it is told rather than as it is narrated. You have to say the dialogues as it is told, and you have to attract the readers with your beautiful, eye catching dialogues, which are very important to inculcate interest in the readers to further read their book. Fourth point is being that when you write a book or write a topic, you have to use simple words which should be understandable by everybody. You need not use more complicated words in your writings, as the reader is not expected to refer to a dictionary for meanings of complicated words. Your writing should be simple, lucid, and eye catching, and it should be narrated in a simple manner rather than complicated words, which is very tiresome for the readers to read and move on. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.